escorts him back to their wedding. And before he sang that song, he had this to say to the crowd.
I knew what he was trying to say there.
Yeah, basically said, if you don't hear it from my own lips, don't believe it.
So don't read all the headlines, because the headlines were pitting them against each other.
But he changed, in a show before LA, he changed the lyrics to Hesitate, and the lyric was, don't be scared because I'm on your side. He changed it to don't be scared because I'm on her side, and fans are kind of saying that it's him shutting down the rumors, like, I'm on her side. It's not me versus her, like, I'm on her side. We're just...
How far into the concert did he do this?
Towards the end.
So when he says I'm on her side,
yeah,
we don't know what happened.
No, we don't know what happened.
But we did hear that there was a video or audio on a DashCam or ring cam.
But again, that didn't come from his lips, so can we believe that?
I don't know. We give him a platform for it to come from his lips. Joe, if you want to come on, you are more than welcome.
Yeah.
Let me wait for that phone to ring.
On air, fulfilled by the Home Depot. With Labor Day savings at the Home Depot, your new innovative appliances are just a click away, like a new LG refrigerator or an LG oven. Save on select appliances in-store or online, only at the Home Depot. Pricing valid 8/24 through 9/13/23, U.S. only.
On air with Ryan Seacrest. Star 101.3.
A weak cold front moves in tonight, bringing cooler daytime highs on Tuesday. Breezy, too, with highs 60s along the coast, 70s around the Bay, 80s inland. This report is sponsored by Silverado Resort in Napa Valley. Grab your crush and head to Silverado Resort this fall to do Napa harvest season right. Enjoy a bottle of wine, $75 in resort credit, and up to 25% off the best available rate when you explore your next wine country getaway at crushingonfall.com.
We're all hoping tomorrow will be better than today. My name is Bree Crowell, and we're working to build a safer energy system that's more reliable and more affordable in the long run for every Californian. Whether it's stronger poles that can withstand extreme weather, undergrounding lines to prevent wildfires, or installing powerful new technologies to spot problems faster. Our PG&E team knows every connection matters, and we take pride in the things we do. That's why we're proud to help build a better future for our hometowns and yours.
The free relocation service happening right now.
And will continue through September 16th.
Things are now at least 25% off.
With many items up to 60% off.
In our Palo Alto location.
This is a one-time only relocation sale.
The world's finest jewelry at the world's lowest prices. Some Swiss watches not included.
Shreve is moving to a new location in the Stanford Shopping Center.
And returning our existing location into something that will blow your mind.
The Shreve sale is happening now through the 16th.
Perfectly situated in the Stanford Shopping Center.
Like many of us, you might think identity theft will never happen to you. But consider this, there's a new identity theft victim every 3 seconds in the U.S. That's over 15 million people by the end of this year, equal to the populations of New York, L.A., and Chicago combined. Even worse, identity theft victims often don't know they're the victims. That's why LifeLock Identity Theft Protection alerts you to identity threats, even the ones that don't show up on a credit report, like data breaches, fraudulent bank transactions, loan and credit card applications, and crimes committed in your name. If your identity is stolen, your own dedicated LifeLock U.S.-based restoration specialist will work to fix it. No one can prevent all identity theft, but LifeLock protects you in ways that you simply can't on your own. Save up to 25% your first year at LifeLock.com with promo code RYAN. That's promo code RYAN, Ryan, to save up to 25% at LifeLock.com. Promo code RYAN, LifeLock.com, save up to 25%. Identity theft protection starts here.
Feeling run down? Time to ditch those fried salty snacks. Snack the healthy way with unsalted nuts. Grab a fistful of victory, get back to work.
Funded by USDA SNAP, an equal opportunity provider and employer. More healthy victories at CalFreshHealthyLiving.org.
The hottest concerts are headed your way. Nation. Don't miss your chance to get out under the stars and see your favorite artists live. Tickets are on sale now for summer.
Yeah, this is way out here to be working. Damn. Way out here. Damn, I'm still within the city limits. It's barely. Damn. Yeah, this is going to be a problem. My part. Allergies. I can't take it anymore. I'm doing